Do you want to know how you can log into your EXL Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your EXL Payroll account. Go ahead and go to the search bar and search for EXL Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of EXL. Go ahead and write down your email address in the first box and then write down your password in another one. After you write down your password, make sure to check on it by clicking on this icon over here. So, first step was to write down your email address and the second was to write down your password. Then, the final step is to click sign in. This way, you can successfully sign into your EXL service or your EXL Payroll account. I hope this video about how you can log into your EXL Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.